students, so today we're going to be finding the slope once again, but instead of having a graph and you have to go find the points, there's no more graph and I give you the points, which sounds even worse, but honestly it might be a little bit easier for those of you that like to just plug and chug, as we like to say. So the idea is you have this formula that you saw on the assignment, but basically it tells you that the slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x, which is what we've been saying. But then it said y2 minus y1 over x2, I'm going to change my color, x2 minus x1. So to use this formula, what you want to do is you want to label your original points. So like I'll label this one x1 and y1 because this was both the first point. And then over here, this one would be x2 and this would be y2. And so remember, x always comes first, so that's why the 7 and the 2 are the x's, and the y's come second, so the 7 and the 13 are your y's. I just picked the first one to be my 1s because it showed up first, and my second one to be my 2s because these ones showed up second. Now, all I need to do is plug into my formula. So, y2 I labeled as 13, and y1 I labeled as 7. So I'll just do 13 minus 7. And then time for my x's. My x2 was 2, and my x1 was 7. So I'll do 2 minus 7. Now be very careful. You'd never want to switch the order. Whatever you labeled them, those are the ones that need to go in those places, because we're about to get a negative, and I was just trying to forewarn you. So 13 minus 7 gets you 5, but then 2 minus 7 gets you a negative 5. So when I go to simplify this, if I do 5 divided by negative 5, I will get a negative 1, which is my slope. So for your IXL today, I'm going to click on it real quick so I can see what the instructions say. And it looks like you will have to use fractions. So make sure that you remember to simplify your answers. You can write it as an integer like this one because it was a whole number, or you can keep it as a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Once again, email me if you need any help. I'm only an email away, and I can walk you through as many problems as you want.